Are you ready to improve your vertical alignment? Well, it all begins at the ground in your heel. This is a foot and it's a right foot. This is your heel bone right here. It's also called your calcaneus bone. And can you see how your heel bone sits just slightly back behind your shin bones? So your heel bone, your calcaneus, is actually the furthest bone back in your body. It's a really big deal to learn how to let your weight descend so that you do ground through the heels. And it takes a lot of awareness and practice. And that's why we have props that we use. So some of the props might include a tennis ball or even a balance pod or a rolled up yoga mat. So try this with me. Step onto your prop and we'll start on a rolled up yoga mat. Heels on the mat, feet on the floor, knees slightly bent. And then from the core of the pelvis through the heels, press down through the mat into the floor. You can also use a tennis ball in this same way, and you just want to make sure it's a used tennis ball. And then when you place your heel on the tennis ball, that some of that yellow of the tennis ball sticking out behind your heel. Same idea. Knee soft, engage the muscles from core of the pelvis down to the heel and press to ground the heel. And a balance pod is also a fun prop to work with because of the spiky nubs, and similar idea of how to press into the heel to help ground it. Most fun of all, though, is to use bubble wrap and learn to press through the heel. Teaching ourselves or someone else how to descend and ground through the heels is really a high-level skill and requires a lot of awareness. In Anusara Yoga, we have a teaching tool that's part of our methodology, and it's called the loops. And this ability to work through the heel and then rise from the actions is part of ankle loop, which is one of the 7 loops of Anusara Yoga's principles and methodology. If you want to deepen your understanding and truly embody these principles, join me in the Ultimate Loops course. Let's build your alignment from the foundation up.